This mite is super small, roughly the size of a grain of salt. But its oversized appetite makes it one of the most daunting threats farmers face. Unchecked, they devastate crops, like these delicious strawberries. You'll know these mites by their calling card, dry, rusty leaves, and by these messy webs that give our tiny foe its name, the two-spotted spider mite. It's not really a spider, but it is an arachnid, so it's related, and it does have two dark spots. It sucks the juices from the strawberry plant's leaves with its needle-like stylet. Sip after sip, row after row, pretty soon the leaves won't be able to absorb enough sunlight to fuel the plant. Farmers use pesticides, but spider mites quickly become resistant. So farmers formed a strategic alliance with a bolder, badder mite, persimilis. Persimilis is a predator. It only eats other mites, and its favorite is the two-spotted spider mite. The tiny carnivores arrive in bottles packed with vermiculite, a lightweight mineral that gives them something to hold on to. But spreading them by hand takes a ton of time. So some farmers are taking this old battle to the next level. They're calling in air support. Drones packed with persimilis. The predatory paratroopers rain down on the field below. The moment they land, the bright red persimilis start hunting down the unwelcome vegetarians. Persimilis are blind. They track down their prey with palps that sense vibrations and smells. Plants under attack by spider mites release pheromones. Those signals lead persimilis right to their prey. They tear into their prey with biting pincers called chelicerae and slurp out the innards. Persimilis have a taste for eggs, too. Caviar, anyone? Eventually, this skilled hunter is so successful it exhausts its only source of food. When the feasting's done, the persimilis can't survive. The field goes quiet. The strawberries are safe, at least until the spider mites return to face another fight from the skies. Hey, it's Laura. You know who else has mites? You. They're on your face, and they're getting busy there. They might also have neighbors, head lice, itchy, blood-sucking acrobats that turn your head into their personal jungle gym. Enjoy!